With just 2 simple ingredients, you can turn a delicious Coke into a delicious creamy ice cream. Okay, so we're going to start this off with some thickened cream, or whipping cream, or double cream. So into a mixing bowl, I'm going to place in 2 cups worth, or 600 mils of our whipping cream. And using a hand or stand mixer, we're going to beat this up for just a couple of minutes until it's thickened up nicely. Okay, so as you can see, it is now nice and thick. And for our second and most important ingredient, our Coca Cola. Of course, you can use Pepsi or basically any soft drink flavor that you like. It is a really versatile recipe. So from this, I've just measured out half a cup of our Coca Cola, so I'm just going to pour that into our bowl. And you don't need to add sugar because there is enough sugar in the Coke as there is. And as a side note, make sure the Coke is ice cold as well. Otherwise it can really deflate the cream. So we're going to whip that up for just for another couple of seconds, just to combine it. And that's it. It is nice and fluffy. Now depending on the cream that you use, it can be a little overpowering. So what I recommend is, if it's still not to your liking, just add a little bit more, but don't overdo it. So I'm going to add, say, another quarter of a cup, just because I really want to have that Coke flavor. And we're just going to mix that through again, just for just a little bit longer. And we're done. Now just give it a quick taste test, make sure it's up to your liking. And yep, I definitely love that Coke taste. So it was just right. So just simply transfer it into a sealable container and see how nice and fluffy that still is. That's exactly how you want to keep it. Now you can use an ice cream churner if you want, but honestly, if you whip it just right, keep all the air in there, don't over mix it with a paddle, make sure you only use the aerator. It'll stay nice and fluffy, just like that. So all we have to do now is just seal it up, place it in the freezer for, say, a good 2 to 3 hours to completely set. Okay, so I've just taken our ice cream out of the freezer and it is done. So it's just a simple matter of just scooping it up into our nice ice cream container. It's a little bit soft in the middle. Probably could have left in there for another couple of hours or overnight, but it's like a soft serve consistency now. And there we have our very delicious Coke flavored ice cream. Literally 2 ingredients, nothing more, nothing less. And if you can please do me one little favor, a lot of you would know Greg's Kitchen. He's a very good friend of mine. Is at youtube.com/Greg's Kitchen. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below. So please go over to his channel, subscribe, and just comment on his latest video that Todd sent you. But I'm guessing a lot of you already know Greg, and he doesn't know I'm doing this, so let's have a bit of fun. So even if you are subscribed to him, go over to his latest video and just say Todd sent you anyway. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe to him. If you're already subscribed, just say I sent you regardless. So I truly haven't told him I'm doing this, so it's going to be a big surprise when he sees all these people saying Todd sent you. And of course, leave a comment on this video, let me know what you think of this recipe, and what other flavored ice cream recipes you'd love to see. So while this is only a 2 ingredient ice cream recipe, I guarantee it's going to taste simply delish.